Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or hold on, this will make too much noise. Or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Monifa, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, why is this ring light flickering? You wanna not see it? Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and talking about the true, what is it called? Hold on, the Tree of Life products, okay? Now, granted, I already ripped open the bag about 2 months ago, but I never got a chance to really sit down and talk about it. I talked about it briefly on my skincare video, but I didn't go in depth because I literally just popped it out of the package, set it one side, and really didn't talk about it after that. So in today's video, that's what we're gonna be doing, okay? But before I get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Today I'm chilling, got the hoodie on. Maybe I should put it up all over here. No, show a little skin. I'm joking, but anyways, oh, did I say make sure like, comment, and subscribe? If I never said that, make sure you do it. Follow me on social media. What else? I don't know, but anyways, so let's get into the Tree of Life Total Skincare Reset Kit. This is the package, the new package. This is how it looks. It kind of beat up, as you guys can see. The delivery man did that. Anyways, you open it up, it has 3 different products. So it comes with the vitamin C serum, the retinol serum, and the hyaluronic acid serum. This kit is meant to brighten, firm, and hydrate. It is for all skin type. We'll see about that once I try it out, because I am going to be fully trying out the product for a week. If you guys would like to see that, let me know down below, even though I record that. But let me know if you guys would actually like to see that. So the vitamin C serum is to brighten and smooth the skin. So the vitamin C is packed with antioxidants to visibly brighten, reduce dark spots, and even the skin tone for smooth and glowy skin. It says to apply daily on clean, dry skin. Apply 3 to 5 drops to face, neck, and décolleté. They're meaning down here. For the best results, follow up with a moisturizer. Now, I've never used, well, I lied. The only serum that I've ever used is the Good Molecules Discoloration Serum. That's the only serum that I've ever used. So that's why I decided to buy this, so I can test out different products, different serums. Because, you know, serums are important. I just recently started using serums. Not too long ago, maybe 4 months ago. I want to continue this glow, you know what I mean? So that's why I decided to buy it in the first place, if I didn't say that before. So vitamin C. Now there is retinol. The retinol serum is to renew and firm. So the retinol is for rejuvenation, joins forces with the hyaluronic acid. Oh, I should have talked about the wrong. Okay, let me talk about the hyaluronic acid first, because it's the one in the middle. Hyaluronic acid, hydrate and plump. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna test out how they look as well, like the texture of them. So the hyaluronic acid, so it's easy, lightweight hydration. Okay, hyaluronic acid locks in moisture to soothe and support elasticity. It basically firm up the skin. It says to apply to clean, dry skin 3 to 4 drops on the face, neck, and décolleté. Best result with a moisturizer. So same instruction, and this one hydrates and plumps. And now we can get into the retinol, which is to renew and firm. This reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, fade, age spots, and soothe skin. So this is definitely for a youthful glow. This is good for the girls that's getting up in age, 30 and up. Even people in their early 20s, mid 20s, my age range, can definitely use this as well, because it's a prevention. Prevention is better than cure. On the hear it. So it's important to, like, you know, use firming products, especially in the newer age. There's so much aspects of things that can cause wrinkles. Like, it doesn't even have to do with age no more. It's literally lights, artificial lights, the ring light that I'm using, the phone. Like, so much things can cause so much different skin effects in this new day of technology. So skincare is important. Also, what you eat is important as well. What you intake, what you drink is also very important. Think about that before you go out and buy products thinking that they're gonna change your life. Yeah, let's test out how they look. So the vitamin C, smell test, feel test. Okay, as you guys can see, it is, I hope this camera can do the thing, like zoom in properly. It's very slimy. Yeah, y'all can see that. It's very slimy, but it's not watery. It's kind of like snot. That's what it feels like. Well, that's what it looks like. Let's feel it. Let's smell it first. Oatmeal. This smells like oatmeal without sugar. Like just plain oatmeal being boiled before you add any sweetener to it. And it feels slimy. It feels slimy. It rubs in. Let's rub it in. It rubs in. Look at my hand without it. This is my hand with it. It gives a slight little moisture. So yeah, this one is to brighten and smooth. Okay, that's the vitamin C. Then we have the hyaluronic acid. This is very liquidy. Can y'all see? Hold on. Damn, I wish it just focused. Okay, but as you can you hear it? Yeah, it's liquidy. You see that? Let's smell it. Touch my nose. This one smells like a chemical. Some scientific project. That's what it smells like. Let's feel it. Very liquidy. It's sliding down my palms. Yeah. This feels like water mixed with some glue. No offense to the company, but that's just what it feels like. It feels nice though. Like, it's smooth but sticky. Sticky. Y'all hear that? Yeah, it's sticky. Okay. Woo! It almost fell. And then the last one is the retinol. This is to firm and renew. I'm gonna use this right here on my back of my forearm, whatever that's called, wrist, back of my wrist, so I can get a different feel. Now this is very thick. Yeah, thicker than the first one. This smells like a fruit. This smells like a fruit, like they have some fruit extract. I don't know what fruit it is right now, but it smells decent, better than the rest. Let's see what it feels like. Let's put it on our wrist. As you guys can see how thick it is. Like, it's literally, you can see from the side, and it's slowly moving. It's thick, but it feels very lightweight. It feels like water. Wow, that's crazy. Like, y'all see how it's going on? Literally feels like water. It's not sticky. Look at my scar. Yeah, and it's not sticky. Okay. That's basically it. I can't wait to try it, test it out for you guys. That's the end of this unboxing review, or whatever the case may be. How much did this cost? Hold on, I didn't even tell y'all the specs of how much it cost. Lord. Amazon. Let's go on Amazon real quick. This video is long. Vitamin C serum kit. Okay, it was $24. $24 for the whole set. $14 for two. They also have a complete brightening 5-step serum and moisturizer and cleanser as well. That is for $50 if you guys would like to purchase that. I might try that out next, the whole like skincare line. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.